Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix IHSS Electronic Portal login loop, quick solution step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the IHSS Electronic Portal login page. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. Click on the login button. If you find yourself stuck in a login loop, first clear your browser's cache. To clear the cache, go to your browser settings. Look for the Privacy or History section. Select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to choose the option for cached images and files. Confirm the action to clear the cache. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser. Return to the IHSS Electronic Portal login page. Re-enter your username and password. Click the login button again. If the issue persists, try using a different browser. If you have a VPN enabled, disable it and attempt to log in again. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. If you still cannot log in, reset your password. To reset your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to create a new password. After resetting, return to the login page. Enter your new password and attempt to log in. If you continue to experience difficulties, contact IHSS support for assistance. Follow their guidance to resolve the issue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.